What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review a recently watched the movie. It's Sa Balik Baju. I don't know whether it is a Malaysian or Indonesian movie because the script is similar. So before moving further with the synopsis of the story, I would really like to give you a cross-cultural reference of one of very close friend of mine, and it says that when people migrated from villages or suburbs to cities, they develop, but their mindset never developed. So it happens that sometimes their conservative or reserved values remain with them, and within this concrete city, that becomes more rigid and hard, and they were not flexible to change. So it says that sometimes if you are very happy in your comfort zone on another block of the city, definitely on the another corner of that same city, some might have not the same liberty as you had. So let's move what the stories are all about, and I really want to feel like they didn't want to give you the generalized picture of what is happening. They just wanted to tell you that within this lifespan from childhood to adulthood, all the women, whatever the things or consequences they go through while making decisions that are not fit for them, or according to a ultra reserved environment, sometimes it is very hard for the women to just have the liberty of the things that the men have easily. So it is happening in the first story. Sorry for mispronunciation, though it is not my mother tongue. I know I could have the liberty with that. So Hak Parabadi, it's the story is about a woman, Dalia, and current situation it is happening like people are switching from one job to another. So she was also blaming the social media, what is happening and what the life is going on, and she has to get the odd job, and the odd job was selling a lingeries online. So imagine that in certain cultures it is very easy for a man to sell these kind of items, but for a woman it is very shameful. And sometimes all these narratives are given by the society. At the beginning it was very hard for her to muster up courage, but you could see that the friends, all this, their support was very immense, and they really strengthened her belief that yes, she can do it. And what are the challenges online and selling online? Sometimes you have plenty of different it happens that sometimes you don't have a one customer, but once you have many customers, there are plenty of other things that also happen, complaints and all this. So you have to watch it by yourself also. A good, especially for startups, entrepreneurship and everything, you really need to understand. And Daria was very like she doesn't want to come out of that circle that she has drawn around her. So it was very challenging, but the good thing is how friends play a vital role in developing her business as well as her moral. As a moral booster, it is very good for her also. That's why she come up with this subject and with this topic. So let's move to the another one. No need to reveal so much synopsis. You have to watch it by yourself also, and then you will tell me which one is your favorite one. Let's move to the second one. The second story is Love Clicks, where Hana meets an ID, anonymous ID, and she falls in love with her. So there are, especially sometimes when if you are alone and you are desperate to have a relationship, so if you find someone online, and either you will find your soulmate or you will end up becoming a victim. So in this story you will learn a lot of life lessons also. It happens mostly also. There are news in the past that the guy met someone online and he came all the way, traveled from another country to another place, and he was stranded at the airport also, finding out where she will come and meet me. So it happens plenty of times, and there is real stories. No need to reveal something, and you will just, with the passage of time, if there is enough money, we will travel back to that things and find out how things happen. I'm talking about something else metaphorically. I hope you could really understand. Sometimes you cannot say things about people online, and especially even if they are closest around you. So this happens in this one, and you will find out what happens. Did she really click the right love, or she was being scammed? You have to watch it by yourself. The next one is Dalam Khain. The story is about Saira, and she's a love coach. Sometimes it happens, we normally say there is always darkness under the lamp. So sometimes, if those people, those who are organizing others' life, their own life is into jeopardy, and they have gone through, because every person, they have some kind of secrets they don't want to do. They wanted to keep those reservations, and sometimes it is very hard for them, and especially this woman. She was a life coach, and she has to maintain her position, her stance, and what she has to go through. So it is a very good one. You really need to see it, how a lot of people will comment online, because you're a celebrity, and it is very hard for you to just hide your mess somewhere under the carpet. So it is very good to watch how this, you can see gradually women from working class, a girl who is desperate to have love, and the women who is already well established according to her own position, how she meets the challenges. So all these three stories are telling you a different message. So another three stories, let's move and find out what the stories are all about. The next one is about Myra, who is a blogger, and she got pregnant, and her husband is a manager, Irfan. And the story is Bukan Salaipu Mangdangai. Sorry for mispronunciation. So recently, last year, I tell you something like this. When people get pregnant, especially for women, we have to be very precautious and considerate that what they are thinking. Sometimes, if they are very beautiful, they are blogger or they are celebrity, or they feel like they are young, suddenly they find change in their body, they feel very reclusive, or they feel like something is taken away from them. Imagine, it's again, the another story is also with a similar, okay, now Love Clicks and Dalam Kayan, the story of Hana and Sarah are both similar. It's about social media, and then Dali is also about social media somehow, and this also about social media blogger. So now she is desperate to do something with the makeup and all this. So imagine that if you are very beautiful, suddenly you have to accept the change in your body. That is a very tremendous achievement for all those mothers, those who really feel beauty in this phase of life. Some people, especially on social media, if they are influencers or icons, that's a very challenging, and they really wanted to do something odd. So you have to understand sometimes it is very good to learn a message. Say, there was a, what is that, when he was knocking at the door, there was a love what you do what you love, or something like this. I forgot it. I forgot that one, and you will really like it, and you should watch that one. So no matter you are on social media icon also, but parallel you have a life also. You are expecting a new baby in your family, so you have to adapt that change. As early as you will find counseling, it will be very better. I'm telling the reference of someone else. So let's move to the next one. It's about Asset, say, by Selena. Yeah, it's all about, she met someone also, and thus she find a self-contentment in finding that she should really be proud of what she is. So that's why it's all about a message of body shaming also. Women are beautiful, and they are beautifully made, whatever the shape, size, or color they have. God has made them very unique and beautiful. So that's why it's a good message that right now also on social media there are plenty of these messages that are going on, and you really need to understand that whoever is made like that, that's his choice or her choice. It's also very good. Last not the least, it's all about Angad Kaki. It's about Arya, the girl. That was more controversial because it's not like the director really wanted to give you the generalized picture of all the community. It tells, there are different generations now, baby boomers generation, X, Y, Z, all they have a different psychology or different mindset. So that was what I was talking at the beginning also. So, now the father is very reserved and conservative, and he said that the girl should not dream too much or fly high in the sky. she should have think about having a good husband, and that's her life is. Many cultures it happened. It's not like other countries or European Americans or other continents. They have come up with this new modern lifestyle. You could see their history also. Even in UK also, the women were not allowed to wear different clothes, go to the bicycles and all this. So gradually fluctuation of the nation, that is what happens. And with the passage of time, things will definitely modify. If you will change with the time, it's good. Otherwise, time will change you. And there are good things that they have shown, especially from childhood, the life of Arya or life of Selena, youngster, or say Hannah, to mature women like Dahlia and what is that, Myra and Sarah. It has given you the message: believe in yourself, embrace yourself, and be proud of it. These hurdles are just temporary, and you will come up victorious. Thank you so much for bearing me, and I hope you will enjoy this good movie and a lot of good things to learn. And especially for moral booster, it is very good to know that all these people, they have gone through different challenges in their different life. Thank you so much for bearing me. Have a great watch. Take care of loved ones. And if you have any other recommendations, kindly comment below and tell me which one is your favorite character. Overall, mine is Dahlia, because it was totally opposite than her conventional or daily life. So changes are always positive. Embrace them. Bye bye.